New year winding down. I want to do this quick rewind video and highlight a few of the most cool freaking cars I've seen all year, which was difficult. But without further ado, let's get right into it, and we're going to do best cam chop of 2018. That goes out to my boy Tony Frank. There's a full video of it on the channel here, but that Dart 363 just freaking pounded through the 3-inch exhaust. Check it out. Okay, next is the best wheelie of 2018, and I've got to hand it to my boy Jay Meisner, his Coyote Swap Fox body running NMRA. Well, just watch the video. It's unreal. Talk about ride it out. Okay, and the best burnout of 2018 is, of course, without a doubt, Nick Mayer, his Turbo Coyote Swap 93 Cobra at Mustang Week. Brought a set of wheels and tires just simply to kill it, and check it out.
All right, bandit!
Okay, and the most unique car for 2018 is Kenny Mead's Notch with a retro, like, Motorcraft, like an old SCCA wrap on his Fox body. Car sounds ridiculous. The wrap is just over the top. I mean, check it out. And the most wild ride of 2018 was my ride along with Mark, his 1,000 horsepower Notch. I mean, this is a show car that runs, it's almost in the 7s, but right now it's running in the 8s in the quarter mile. And we did a little ride through Myrtle Beach at Mustang Week, and the car never ceases to amaze me. It's getting faster, it's getting better, but yeah, check this thing out. So there you go, guys. That is just a few of my favorite cars from everything that we did this year. But man, we did a lot this year. God, where do I start? We added an S550 to the fleet. Got my wife a 2016 GT. We got the new shop completed, which I wasn't sure if that was ever going to get done, but we got that done. Got my car running and driving. I banned Ken from the channel probably a good 200 to 300 times. And we Coyote swapped Mr. Hankey. I mean, this has been one crazy year, but I've got a few more moments I wanted to show before we say goodbye for 2018. you go, guys. That is my best of 2018. I hope you loved the video. We did all kinds of amazing stuff this year, saw all kinds of amazing stuff, met all kinds of amazing people. And I mean, I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting the channel, supporting what I do, and you know, all the people that make it happen. You know, all the guys at the shop and all the sponsors, everything that, you know, brings all this together to bring this to you. So I appreciate it 100%. Everybody stay safe. Have a happy new year. And again, we're just getting started. So make sure you give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, buckle up. 2019 is going to be wild.